three. 2, 3. Good day, everyone! We are the Balancers!
Before we proceed to our balance training exercises, we will first define what is balance training. So balance training is a type of physical exercise that improves a person's ability to control and stabilize their body while standing, moving, or changing positions. It focuses on strengthening the muscles and coordination needed to keep the body steady and prevent falling.
Balance training exercises challenge the body's stability by using movements such as standing one leg, walking in a straight line, or exercising on unstable surfaces. These activities train the muscles, joints, eyes, and nervous system to work together more effectively.
The main purpose of balance training is to improve stability, coordination, posture, and body control. It is important for athletes, older adults, and people recovering from injuries because it helps prevent falls and improves movement in daily activities and sports.
For the first exercise, single leg stand. You stand on one foot while keeping your body upright. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, then switch legs. For the second exercise, heel to toe walk. Walk in a straight line by placing the heel of one foot directly in front of the toes of the other foot. Keep your eyes forward and move slowly.
For the third pose, lift one foot and place it against your inner calf or thigh. Bring your hand together at your chest or overhead. Hold, then switch side. Your body. Lower it back down with control. Repeat on both sides.
Standing knee rises. Left one knee up to hip level while balancing on the other leg. Pause briefly, lower it and alternate side slowly. The last exercise, flamingo stand. Stand on one leg while slightly bending the other leg behind you. Hold the position steadily before switching legs.
Pagubas gani, kana ang kadto kung mami ka sa kuan sa krusada.
Sino na pre?
Klaro, sungay ka pa.